What's up, guys? This is a new weekly update on my journey from 0 to 10K a month and beyond with an AI automation agency. I've been in this space for 2 years now, and I'm making 2K a month, but the contract of my main client that is paying their retainer just ended. So the contract just ended. So yeah, I'm pretty much back to 200 bucks a month because I have like a very small client on the side as well. So yeah, things are not looking like crazy in terms of revenue numbers to get to the 10K a month, but we are now making good plays, and hopefully in the future, we can start to close some new clients. And basically what we do in these videos is basically just document weekly what happened this week, and then we strategize the next one. Okay. I've been doing this for 17 weeks, but as I said, I think I said that, I don't know. I've been in this space for 2 years now. Okay. But I've only started documenting that in this channel for 17 weeks. So let's go over what were the plans for the week and see if I actually did them. So just to give you guys some context, actually, what I'm doing right now is targeting content agencies, specifically in the YouTube space. So YouTube agencies, basically. We want to go more broad, not so much niche down because the market size is very small. Okay. YouTube content agencies, like there are not a lot of agencies out there that do that specifically for YouTube. So we can't do cold email, we can't do ads, we can't do none of that. So what we are doing right now is sending personalized videos to the small lead list that we have. Okay, so I record the videos just like this one, and I screen record our system. We sell a system, and let me show you our website actually. So Content COS over here. We are your operations partner to help you scale to 40K months. We plan, build, and manage custom systems for your agency so you can go faster without chaos. Okay, this is just an example of one of the systems that we built on Airtable. And these systems, the goal is to help the content agency owners scale to 40K months very easily because content agencies, in terms of operations, are very heavy operations wise, because they need to manage like all the team members, all the clients, and the deliverable and the content that they are making for the clients. So that's a lot that goes on into a content agency, and that's why we build our system. Now, the hard thing of selling operational systems is that you're not selling clients, you're not selling leads, you're not offering leads, you're not offering clients appointments, right? We are offering like scalability and the founder gaining back time because now he has systems. The founder managing their agency now without chaos because they have the systems, and just being able to scale from, usually they are like at 20K, 30K. Now, because of the systems, they are able to scale to way more. So our ICP is definitely way specific, too much specific, basically. Okay. That's why we need to we need to get a broader niche or ICP or avatar, because right now our ideal client is there are not a lot of clients, a lot of profiles that meet our ICP, a lot of people that meet our ICP out there. So that's one of the plans that we have. I given some context. I also do YouTube videos. Let me see. I also do YouTube videos to show you guys. I haven't posted in a while, but I was trying to get some clients through this. I got a client from this video over here. Damn, it's almost a year. Kind of crazy, but yeah, I got a client from this video, but none of the other videos closed any clients. That's why I kind of stopped doing it to focus on making the videos for the prospects. So yeah, let's talk about that now. So the plans for the week were to get a better structure for the video outreach. What was happening is I was making these customized looms, not looms, but I use a different software called Tela.tv. It's the one that I'm using right now. So I needed to get a better structure for it because the videos were too long. Were like 8-minute long videos that I was sending to cold leads, right? So that doesn't make any sense. So I now reduced it a lot. I recorded at least 7. So I did that. Record at least 7 new videos for outreach. I didn't do 7, which is annoying. Yeah, even though like I need to do more volume, that's for sure. But it's just hard with the routine that I have. I don't know. In the morning, I can do them, and then in the afternoon, like I go to the gym or something. So yeah, I need to. That's not an excuse, to be honest. Like I just need to get sorted on where I'm spending my time on, basically. But yeah, I didn't record 7. I think I recorded. I got the number over there on the right. Continue following up with leads. We did that. Make a LinkedIn post. I didn't do a LinkedIn post. I think. Continue making tweets just for the sake of it. Yeah, I also have a Twitter account because a lot of our leads are on Twitter, and that's why I tweet. It doesn't get any impressions at all, but it is what it is. Grind hard the next 4 days because after that I will go camping. So yeah, we went camping. This is what happened this week. So in terms of life, we did the camping, went well, was cool. Let's get to the business side of things because that's what matters. So client acquisition, I recorded 4 personalized videos for prospects. 4. That's I should be ashamed of even like writing these down here. Like this is like I should be making 4 a day, right? Or like 5 a day, 6 a day, whatever it is, right? But yeah, I wasted a lot of time, going shopping with my mom or planning the camping and all this shit. So yeah, it is what it is. I reduced the average time of the videos from 8 minutes to 2.5, which is cool. And I made a couple of tweets. I didn't post it on LinkedIn, which is kind of annoying, but yeah, I'm going to post this week. I should post like every day on LinkedIn, but I kind of like don't have that many content to make. I don't know. But for my client Shaz, that the contract just ended, we had a 3-month contract. Sorry, for 2.2K retainer every month. The contract just ended, and now Shaz is actually pivoting to a better offer, and he would like me to help him in the future, but he just doesn't have like the funds right now to invest in me, basically. But we have a very great partnership, and in the future we're gonna work together again, which is awesome. Now I recorded a client interview with him, asking him questions like, those case study or client interviews that you see on YouTube, where we got the business owner, we got a client, and they are sharing about their transformation, the client's transformation from I don't know, from 0 to 50K a month, whatever it is, or yeah, whatever transformation it's about. Like you make a video interviewing your client, asking them like how was the process before they were working with you, and how is the process now, and the results they gotten from working with you, and all this stuff. Because these client interview videos are very valuable for marketing. That's why people make it, right? So I recorded one with Chaz, made him the questions. We had a very good interview. He said very good things about the services, about what we did at his company, at his agency. So that was awesome. Now, the problem is that I was dumb and didn't use a tool like Riverside to record an interview. So I should have used Riverside. I should have used something like this to, yeah, just like this, right? Where I'm on the left and the client's on the right, right? That would be the best thing. But what I did is use Fathom to record the meeting. So now it's trash. Like it's not as professional as it could be. So yeah, it is what it is. And my webcam on the video also has like trash quality because of Google Meet, whatever. So yeah, the interview itself went well, but the recording of the interview didn't go well. So yeah, obviously because of camping, this week was I obviously had way less time to work. That's why we only did this. Now plans for the next week, which I'm gonna be locked in here at the city. I got nothing, nowhere to go this next week. So I'm probably gonna like go out to the beach or something. But we are now locked in here. So the plan for these next 7 days, today's Sunday, so the next 7 days, is to record 14 videos for prospects. I've never done 14 videos in a week, but it's basically just 2 videos a day, sorry. 2 videos a day. Very fucking simple. I should be able to fucking do it. If I can't do it, I'm gonna be fucking pissed because like this is absolutely nothing. Record 14 videos, like the fuck is that, right? It takes me like, I don't know, 10 minutes to record one. Pretty much now with the new structure, I got a script going on and I kind of like, I now know the script pretty much without having to read it and stuff like that. So I'm getting better at recording them. So I'm reducing the time that it takes to record one. So I should be able to pump at least 2 videos a day. Like, come on. Like I have nothing else to do. This is the biggest ROI test that I have. Record videos for prospects so that we can book meetings and close them because we have nothing else going on. We got this freaking offer. We are posting content, but the content doesn't drive anything. So we're doing cold outreach. That's the biggest ROI test that we have right now. We need to focus on that. Make the fucking videos every fucking day. So yeah, make a LinkedIn post. I want to create a Notion doc with Shaz case study. So I want to make a Notion document where, yeah, I just have like all the transformation, the case study, on what we did for Shaz and how he went from 5K to 20K at his content agency. And yeah, just add value into the document, add clips of the interview there, add the CTA at the end for people that want to work with us, and probably make a lead magnet out of it. I don't know, we'll see, but I would like to make this very cool Notion doc going over the case study that we can also use doing the sales process and like the follow-ups and the cold outreach that we are doing for prospects, right? We can then send the case study, the relevant case study. So yeah, that's why I want to do this. Daily tweet, very simple, and get back to the gym and following good routine. Now that we locked in here this week, yeah, I want to go back to the gym, get some work done there, and just follow good routine in terms of sleep, in terms of eating as well. Eat at the good times, right? Because like your daily routine is very important, and the business results are very tied to how you live your life and your routine, right? And your habits. So I want to make sure I nail that down the next 7 days, but this is definitely the most important thing right now. I'm going to get that done. So yeah, tomorrow I got to record 2 videos and go from there. Just to give you guys more context, we need to, as I said, we need to go broader in terms of niche. So we're going to use all the leads that we have right now. Hopefully close some clients. We still have a couple dozen leads, probably like 50 or whatever. We probably can, get more by doing manual prospecting, like searching for leads on Twitter and stuff, so we can get more leads there. But try and get some clients with this cold outreach method, or like test the offer, right? Because we need data to make sure. We need to send a lot of videos and reach out to a lot of people to understand if our offer is actually a good offer to the market, because we pretty much don't have competition. We are doing something like new. So we are pretty much in a kind of like trash position. It's good at the same time, but it's also trash because, yeah, we don't have competition. We can't copy other people very well. We don't know if what we are doing works. So when you are running like an email marketing agency, there are hundreds of others, so you can just like copy them and get up and running very quickly. Now, what we are doing is very different from the usual agency. So yeah, that's the bad thing of it. And we're also planning now, we're going to reach out to all the leads, go from there, and then we're going to figure it out. But we are planning to then broad our niche and market so that we target ads agencies. We target content agencies on all platforms, LinkedIn content agencies, Twitter content agencies, like media production companies, like anything that any company that is B2B that works with content for clients, okay? That does videos, that does text, blogs, whatever it is for content for their clients. That would be an ICP. So that's the plan for the future. And we also are thinking of joining a coaching program, okay? It would be awesome to close a client and then join a coaching program. I have the money to join a coaching program right now, but I kind of want to like get a client at least first for this new offer that we just that we built, right? Because Shaz here is not I closed him before we had this offer at Content ACOS, so he's not exactly a client of it. So I would like to close the first client and then join a coaching program, probably Catalyst Holdings. It's not very coaching. It's not really a coaching program, but whatever. Just join someone like who knows how to build good offers, how to scale an agency and build client acquisition systems, because that's definitely what we are struggling right now. Yeah, we are just struggling to book calls pretty much. So yeah, that's the main focus right now, just trying to book calls, and that's why I need to record these videos. In the short term, yeah, I'm talking about in long term, we want to go broad. We want to get some help from big players in the space. That would be awesome. But yeah, that's just the plan. Let's focus now on what we have ahead of us, which is doing this stuff over here. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm kind of tired because it's 11 p.m. right now. So yeah, I just need to record this video today, so I had to do it. But yeah, guys, also quick tip, also document your stuff, man. I think, later when you succeed, you're going to look back to these videos, to however you are documenting your stuff. It doesn't have to be online, but you will look back to it and just be, happy, and just see like how long you have came, and that's going to be awesome, right? So that's also a reason why I'm making these videos, because yeah, they just don't get any views, so I don't give a fuck about that. I'm just documenting the journey, and because I know when I succeed, people will watch the video, right? Because there's no reason for people to watch if you don't have success, right? So that's the truth about content and social media in general, right? Yeah, that's it, guys. Have a great week. We're gonna talk again in 7 days, hopefully with all the tasks done. Peace.